Hello there, welcome to WordPress Geek. We are going to help you understand what is WordPress and WordPress plugins, and quick installation of WordPress and WordPress plugins.
Good day, I am Keithlene Dayon and I'm here to tell something about WordPress. WordPress is a free and open source content management system based on PHP and MySQL. To function, WordPress has to be installed on a web server, which would be part of an internet hosting service or a network on its own right. Operating system, Unix like Windows. Developers, WordPress Foundation. Initial release date, May 27, 2003. Stable release, 4.9.5, written in PHP.
Hi, I'm Steph. What are plugins? Plugins are like apps that developers can literally plug into WordPress website. Downloading and installing a file can give all kinds of new functionality, and tens of thousands of plugins are out of for all sorts of different applications. Some are just for fun, like one that displays a random lyrics of Hello Dolly by Louis Armstrong on every admin page, and some are integral parts of websites, like interactive maps, content slider, contact form, and other dynamic of internal content of page. At the time of writing, there are over 25,000 plugins available for free from WordPress that have been downloaded over 470 million times, and that isn't even counting paid plugins. And thank you.
Hi, I'm Keithlene as tamparong. I'm going to discuss advantage and disadvantage of WordPress plugins. Advantage: with over 25,000 free plugins and more available for a price, why would anyone bother building a custom plugins? Surely, there must be ways to manipulate existing add-ons for whatever purposes a developer would need, right? There are a few reasons to build a custom plugins, as opposed to downloading one for free or for a price. Custom plugins do exactly what you make them do. No more and no less. Any download will invariably do things you don't necessarily want your plugins to do. And going in the changes things around can have undesired side effects. Rather than deal with manipulating or breaking an existing plugins for your own purposes, a custom plugins does just what you want when you want. Updates and supports are not as much of a concern for a custom plugins. Dealing with a free or paid download means dealing with someone else if your plugin breaks or doesn't function properly, rather than turning to your developers and asking them to change a future. Many free plugin developers have other full-time jobs and aren't looking to spend a few hours a week helping you change things around. Furthermore, when they do devote time to support for their plugins, it usually means updating them with a new features which can break your downloaded version if you have changed things around. Updates aren't mandatory, but if they are for security vulnerabilities and you need to download them, you risk losing your plugin functionality. Security. This is a pretty simple one. If someone else develops your plugin, odds are pretty good that they know how it works better than you do. It seems nothing on the web is truly vulnerable, but why not be safer when you get a chance? If 470 million have downloaded the plugins you're running and somebody finds a security vulnerability in it. You could end up in trouble. If you develop your plugins in-house for a few websites, people probably won't be looking to break it. Disadvantage. With the significant advantages of a custom-built plugin, why risk downloading one that somebody else wrote when it might not even work for your purposes? Well, 470 million people can be wrong, and they're certainly aren't. Plugins can be complicated beast, and the average WordPress user is unlikely to delve in their into their theme and plugins files to change things around. Downloading a good free plugin can give users instant functionality and easy customizability via a settings menu and open. There are setup guides and pages to help with troubleshooting. Paid plugins often include some types of support or installation assistance if necessary, and again will give users instant functionality and results. There are clear advantages to just downloading a plugins for your website, but they can also have unintended side effects, and that's where custom plugins really have the edge. And unfortunately, the complexity of building a plugin, even a simple one, is still at a point there. It will deter more users from attempting to build their own functionality in their sites. Plugins are amazing tools with incredible power to change websites and to attract and engage visitors. Whether they are free, paid, or customs, our sort of interactivity will often yield a more positive user experience and invite people to return the site, or simply give them a more positive impression of the company that the site presents. Thank you.
Hello, good day. My name is Vincent. Tuturuan ko kayo ngayon kung paano mag-install ng WordPress and kung paano ilagay ang plugins sa WordPress. Hello, good day. My name is Vincent. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-install ng WordPress and maglagay ng WordPress plugins. Una sa lahat, bukas tayo ng database. Depende sa inyo kung ano ginagamit nyo, kung WAMP or SAMP. Ako kasi ginagamit ko yung SAMP. So, open ko yung SAMP ko. Then, start kayo Apache and MySQL. Kung green na siya, punta kayo sa admin. Then, create kayo ng database. Then, after nun, create nyo. Pagtapos na, punta kayo sa desktop. Punta kayo sa desktop nyo. Then, ito yung folder ng WordPress nyo. Copy nyo. Kung gamit nyo is WAMP, ang lalagay nyo yung folder na yun dito sa www. Pero kung gamit nyo is SAMP, lalagay nyo sa SAMP folder. Then, punta kayo sa htdocs. Then, dun nyo paste. Wait lang tayo saglit. Then, after nun, punta tayo sa browser ulit natin. Locate natin. Punta tayo sa localhost. / pangalan ng folder nun, WordPress. Then enter. Then mili tayo ng language. Okay lang. Tapos pangalan ng database natin. Ano yung pangalan ng database na ginawa natin na bago? Is new DB. Copy lang natin. Paste natin siya dito. Is username, root. Then, ito ay blanco lang. Kasi nasa, ano lang tayo, local lang tayo. Hindi naman tayo naka-online. Then, localhost, WP, wala na kayong babaguhin dyan. Submit. Then, run the installation. After nun, pangalan ng site. Then, plugin. Yan. Then, username. Dito sa password, dapat yung password nyo hindi yung weak na password. Dapat gamitin nyo is yung password na hindi madaling ma-infiltrate para hindi kayo magka-problema in the future. So, i-confirm lang natin kasi very weak yung ginamit natin na password. Then, lagay nyo dito ay email address nyo. Kahit anong email address nyo pwede. Diyan siya magsasend ng updates about sa WordPress nyo. I-install. Katapos, mga ilang segundo lang yan. Yan. Pag okay na, then, punta kayo dito sa login. Lagay nyo admin. Then, login nyo. Ayan, nasa dashboard na kayo ng WordPress. Paano naman natin ilalagay yung plugins? Dito yung plugins. Una muna is gawa muna tayo ng page para matest natin yung plugins natin. Add tayo ng plugin page. Then, publish natin. Check natin. Balikan nyo lang yung itsura ng page natin na ginawa. Walang kalaman naman. Then, try natin lagyan ngayon ng plugins. Kita yung dashboard. Then, punta tayo sa plugins. Then, una muna pala ilagay natin yung plugin folder natin. I-copy natin to. Locate natin ulit yung sump. Sa C, tapos sump. And then, punta tayo sa htdocs, WordPress, content, plugins, paste natin dito. Then, X, punta tayo dito ulit. Sa browser. Then, refresh natin. Yan, nakita nyo na, na-detect nyo na. I-activate lang natin to. Yung mapapansin nyo dito, maladagdag yung contact. Ngayon, para mailagay natin siya doon, punta tayo sa contact. Copy natin tong code. Then, punta tayo sa page. Yung ginawa natin. Then, punta tayo sa dito. Sa edit. Enter tayo dito. Type natin dyan. Update. Then, punta tayo sa page. Ito na siya. Lagay tayo contact dito. Kung may natutunan kayo, huwag niyo po sana kakalimutan mag-like. And yun lang po. Thank you.